Friends, I am Jagat Singh. Today with a new topic, rational numbers and representation rational number on the number line. How we represent any rational number on the number line? So for the drawing the number line, we draw a line of convenient length, take 0 on the middle and then put positive 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3 and so on. This is called the number line, and the collection of all number or positive and negative numbers are called integers. Now we want to put 2 upon 3 on the number line, or draw a line. This number 2 by 3 is proper number and positive number also, so that this for drawing representing this 2 by 3 rational number on the line, take 0 in the left and 1, divide this number line into 3 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3 and write on the first 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3 cut by, so this is 1. The distance between 1 and 0 divided into 3 part 1, 2 and 3. So the number which is given in the denominator, divide the part of the line into the given denominator part, so that you get 2 by 3. Take one more example, -5 upon 7. How we draw the negative number on the number line? Again, drawing number line and take 0 in the right hand side. Now the denominator here, denominator is 7, so we take -1 upon 7, -2 upon 7, -3 upon 7, -4 upon 7, -5 upon 7, -6 upon 7 and -7 upon 7. In this case 7, divide 7 one time, so that this sign will be -1. So this length between 0 to -1 divided into 7 equal parts, and the first part, second part, third part and fourth and so on. Write down -5 upon 7 is here and 2 by 3 is here. So similarly you can draw any more numbers on the number line. In the case of improper number, we have taken an example 17 upon 3. In this case numerator is more than denominator, so it is improper. So this rational number divided by 3, numerator divided by 3, you get 3 5 are 15 and remainder 2 upon 3. 3 5 are 15 or 2 17, 17 upon 3. So you have a mixed number 5 2 upon 3. In that number 5 is a whole number, so 0 1 2 3 4 5, 5 here. This is positive, so that 0 and 1 2 3 4 5. When the number is positive, then 0 will be taken in the left side and numbers counting from left to right, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this number is more than 5 but less than 6. 5 2 by 3 is greater than 6. 5 less than 5 and 2 by 3 and less than by 6. So this number will be lie between 5 and 6. So we have taken 5. Now the next part is 6, and divide the part 5, divide the distance 5 to 6 into 3 equal part, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3. Now taken 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Similarly 5 upon 5, 5 upon 3. So divide the distance between 5 to 6 into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Write on the first part 1 by 3, second part 2 upon 3. Similarly, this number will be, this sign denote the number 17 upon 3. So in this way, you have to represent rational number on the number line, as the number is in the form of proper number or improper number. Now the next topic, absolute value. What is the absolute value? You have seen that you have in the integers, in the rational number, there are positive and negative numbers. These are two numbers. This is positive number and this is negative number. So what is the absolute value? Absolute value says that when we take the rational number in the modulus form, then it will be positive. This number will be positive, and similarly minus 11 upon 15 when we take in the absolute, in the modulus form, then it will be positive. So modulus, we denote absolute value in bracket. Two parallel line and take the rational number between this space. After this, when we solve this bracket, the positive and negative, both the values will be positive. So absolute value is the positive number of any rational number, as it is negative or positive. Always will be positive. Now the next topic, find rational number between two rational numbers. Suppose we want to find one rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So there are two types of the method. We have two types. Number 1, x equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b. This is a and this is b. So when we want to find one rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5, then put the formula 1 upon 2, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5, and 1 by 2 into LCM 15, 3 5 is 5 to the 10 plus 5, 3 3 is 9, and after solution you get 19 upon 15, multiply it by 2, 19 upon 30. So 19 upon 30 is the number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So 19 by 30 will lie between both the numbers. This is the first method, and this is applicable only that case when we want only one or two rational numbers. If you get more rational number, so then we apply the another method, second method. The number a equal to 3 by 2 by 3 and b equal to 3 by 5. We have seen that both the rational number having different denominator. Here is 3 and 5. So that take LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. Now we make the equivalent form of A and B. So 2 by 3 multiply by 5 to making 15 LCM. So 15 and 10, and here 3 by 5 into multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator, you will get 3 is 9 and 5 is 15. In this case 10 by 15 and 9 by 15, there are two numbers and they have difference only in 9 and 10, only one number. So if you want to find 5 rational number between these two numbers, so multiply it by 5 plus n equal to 6 times. If you get two rational number between the given rational number, then 1 add in 2, you get 3, and multiply the equivalent form by 3. But we want to find 5 rational number between 10 by 15 and 9 by 15 in this case. So add 1, then we get 6. Now first number 10 upon 15 into 6 upon 6. 10 6 is 60 upon 15 6 is 19. First number, and the second number 9 upon 15 multiply 6 upon 6. In the both the number will be multiplied by the same number, and 9 6 is 54 upon 15 6 is 90. Now you have 60 upon 54 upon 90, and the second is 60 upon 90. The next number between these 55 upon 90, 56 upon 90, 57 upon 90, and so on, and 59 upon 90. So you have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, 59 upon 90. You have select 5 number between this number, this number, this, and now you can write here 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 are 55 upon 90, 56 upon 90, 57 upon 90, 58 upon 90, and 59 upon 91, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is your solution. So dear students, we can find the infinite number of the rational number between two rational number. तो इस तरह से किसी भी दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में इनफाइनाइट नंबर निकाले जा सकते हैं. तो आप पहले एक पहला मेथड और दूसरा जोड़ से चाहे वो यूज कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट मेथड में केवल एक नंबर के लिए यूज करते हैं मोस्टली, 1, 2 या 3 के लिए, क्योंकि उसकी कैलकुलेशन बहुत लंबी हो जाती है और ये मेथड सेकंड वाला आपके लिए शॉर्ट पड़ता है. तो मोस्टली यूज दिस मेथड टू फाइंड मोर नंबर बिटवीन टू रैशनल नंबर्स.